Hi guys! Long time no see. It feels very freaking strange talking to my phone camera because I haven't done a video in ages. Freaking ages. It's been too freaking long. But I thought I'd do a Christmas vlog today. And yeah, welcome back to my channel. This feels very strange saying all this. It feels kind of alien, but I hope you guys are doing well. I have just washed my hair and I'm sitting down watching my favourite Christmas film before the real festivities start today, which is putting up my Christmas tree. Here is my favourite Christmas film. I actually love it. It's literally my favourite film ever, honestly. And here is my carrot. Hey, Basil. I have just finished watching Last Christmas and I was absolutely sobbing. Like, it is one of my favourite Christmas films ever. In fact, it's probably one of my favourite films, full stop, ever, because it just has you in the chokehold of emotion and it's just so funny and so emotional, and I highly recommend you guys watch it if you haven't yet. It's this, oh my god, it's just, I just love this film so much. George Michael songs, Wham songs, it's just the best film ever. It's up there with The Grinch for Christmas films and I just love it. I can't keep saying that, but yeah, I feel very wholesome now. I feel very full of festive cheer and love, and it's time to decorate the tree. It's time to put on my tree in this space here. How are we going to fit it in? I do not know, but I'm going to show you all the decorations that I've got because they're so freaking cute and I forgot how cute they were. I literally have so many. Also, this one I got, I think, like last year, and it's just this really cute flamingo of a Santa hat. But these are all my Christmas tree decorations. Got an F for my name from Anthropology, mince pie, and a turkey from my aunt. Roast turkey. I never actually have roast turkey for Christmas dinner, but it's very traditional. Got a little Santa on a little bike here, and little house, polar bears. I think these came from Poundland, and this one you might recognize from a previous VLOGMAS video, but this is from TK Maxx, and I just love how happy it is. It's so cute. And yeah, I'm gonna sort out the Christmas tree, put these on. I also have bubbles here and more decorations here as well, and there is my tree. Apologies if I'm really awkward, but I haven't done a vlog in forever. But let's get going. PS, I just realised I don't have an advent calendar to open on VLOGMAS, and what is literally, like, what is VLOGMAS without an advent calendar? And it appears I am in a situation, so hint hint to my other half if you end up watching this, because I'm in desperate need right now. Thank you so much. As you can see, My room has now been decorated with a Christmas tree. I absolutely love it. I'm actually so happy with what I did. I feel like, strange enough, this year was like the easiest year that I've had putting up my decorations. Normally, I stress at these fairy lights that I hang from top of my shelves. Normally, I get stressed with the fairy lights on my tree, but it was actually alright this year, and I just love how festive it is. Look, it's so cute! And I've got fake presents underneath my tree as well. And I'm just in the festive spirit now. I've been playing Christmas music all afternoon as I've been doing this. And Christmas is here, guys. I was going to end this vlog, but something exciting came in the post and I thought I'd extend the vlog and do a little unboxing with you guys. And it is my kitchen box from Lush. I have not literally done a kitchen unboxing on my channel for like 6,000 years, so it's about time that we opened it together. So let's just dive in. It's a very, very cute box. I usually love the kitchen boxes and I just love the packaging on this one. Look, it looks like a little Christmas house. Very wintry, very cozy. And the past few boxes have not disappointed, so I'm hoping for big things in this box. So let's get into it. Ooh, it says a little holiday magic, which is super cute. I immediately see 29 High Street. That is so cute. Okay, there's literally two 29 High Street cards in here, and it's got, both of them have little doors. So should we see what's inside them? I'm so excited. Right, the first one says, "For days when the world is too much with us, there's a Lush." Okay, this is the quote that is the campaign right now for Christmas at Lush, and we got it in the window. Oh, I got two of them. That's really cute. I have two. Maybe they weren't meant to give me two, but I can give one to a colleague at work, so I'm sure someone will appreciate that. I see something bright yellow. Ooh. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh. It's a little elf bath bomb. Oh, that is very nice. I recognise that scent. Look at that. That is very cute. To me, it literally looks like an Animal Crossing character if you made them green haired and yellow. That is so cute. Oh my god, that is so cute. Okay, we're off to a very fun start right now. If we have what I hope we have in this box, then I will be so happy. We have, oh, okay, we have a very cool packaged shower gel called Happy Holidays, and this has aloe vera gel, sea salt, agave syrup, cocoa absolute, almond essential oil. Let's give it a smell. Oh, that is nice. Very, very nutty but sweet. I'm back in classic fashion. My dinner was ready, so I went to have dinner, but I'm back now to open the rest of the box. So I can't remember where I left off, but anyway, this shower gel I'm very, very excited to use. It smells, let me smell it again. Oh, it's like almond, like, you know, pecans, things like that. Things you get on top of like a Christmas cake or something. And let's see what else we have in here. We have a little perfume bottle. I'm so hoping it is the one I think it is. If this is anything to go by, it better be, otherwise I am sad. And it is. Yes! It is the 29 High Street perfume, which is what I love in a classic Lush scent. And let me spray it. My words don't make sense tonight. I don't know what I mean, what I love in a classic Lush scent. It is the classic Lush scent. It's supposed to smell like a Lush shop. Oh my god, it's so good. Like, I will use this like water. I have the shower gel that I use sparingly because I just love it so much. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Yes. And then we have a box. There's like a little box here. They always like to throw in something special. Look at that. That is so cute. That is such cute packaging. Guys, they've done it. They have done it. They have done it. They've made a candle. They've literally made a 29 High Street scented candle. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. That is stunning. This better be strongly scented. I've lit a candle before I started filming again, but I will definitely light this later or tomorrow because that is stunning. You should have some more. Ooh, I see a bath melt right here. Salted coconut scented. If you don't know what that is, that used to be hand scrub that Lush used to sell, and it's a tree decoration bath melt. That is so cute. I love that. It kind of goes with my nails as well. Pretty. I love that. Is there anything else? Oh, we have, oh, that's cute. Limited edition 29 High Street badge as well. It's like Christmas come early. Guys, they know that 29 High Street is the Lush scent that every person who is obsessed with Lush loves, and this is just cute. I'm going to put this on my lanyard for work because that is just adorable. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, that is so sweet. So I've got perfume shower gel. No, perfume candle pin badge. Then we've got a shower gel, bath mat, and a bath bomb. I think that is everything. Ooh. That is my unboxing. That is me doing my Christmas tree today. This is like the first day of Vlogmas. Knowing my track record, I don't know if I'm going to do another video, but I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you enjoyed seeing me on your YouTube again. And if you did enjoy it, just let me know. Give me a thumbs up. Comment below what favourite decoration like or what favourite product from the kitchen box you enjoyed. I will see you guys very, very soon. And I'm definitely going to enjoy these. I'm definitely going to dive into that candle almost straight away and wear the perfume to work tomorrow. Bye!